All right, here's some big breaking news coming in. ED has now filed a charge sheet. A complaint against the 2019 money laundering case against DK Shivakumar in the Rose Avenue court. The court now to give a date for scrutiny of documents and cognizance of charge sheet. A big development here. DK Shivakumar, who's been in the eye of the storm of the Enforcement Directorate. The ED has now filed a charge sheet, a prosecution complaint against a 2019 money laundering case against DK Shivakumar in the Rose Avenue court. The court now to give a date for scrutiny of the documents and cognizance of the charge sheet. This is the same at a time when Karnataka is heading closer to elections. DK Shivakumar very recently, India Today, spoke to the man himself who's heading the Congress party in Karnataka, positioning himself as the CM candidate. He did explicitly speak about the kind of work he's done all along for the Congress and hopes to be the Congress candidate as Chief Minister, to Congress's choice for Chief Minister ahead of elections. Now we're looking at ED heat on DK Shivakumar yet again. Aneesha Mathur, who's tracking those developments. Aneesha, ED now files a charge sheet, a prosecution complaint against the 2019 money laundering case against DK in the Rose Avenue court. Take us through the details of it.
Well, the ED has finally filed its prosecution complaint, that is the charge sheet, in the 2019 money laundering case against DK Shivakumar. Now remember, this is the case which had been initiated by the ED on a complaint by the Income Tax Department, which had alleged that DK Shivakumar has not completely amassed disproportionate assets, that he has more than 800 crores worth of property, and the ED had been raising this allegation that all of this was a result of money laundering. Shivakumar was also arrested back in 2019 in this case, but has been on bail ever since. And now with the ED filing a charge sheet, filing a prosecution complaint after around 3 years of investigation, we'll have to wait and see when this special court at Rose Avenue takes cognizance of the charge sheet, what happens next. But for now, the ED has just today filed this charge sheet, the prosecution complaint against DK Shivakumar, of money laundering. Court will have to face trial in the case. So of course, this will have an impact on Karnataka politics because DK Shivakumar, as you pointed out, is the Congress party leader in the state and is also widely respected as the possible.
Right, Aneesha, seems like we have a problem with your audio there. We're going to try and patch that back. But here's the ED heat on the Karnataka Congress chief, DK Shivakumar. We're looking at a prosecution complaint that's been filed against a 2019 money laundering case against DK in the Rose Avenue court. The court now to give a date for scrutiny of those documents and cognizance of the charge sheet soon.